In this tutorial, I will show you how to translate PDF files to different languages in just few easy steps. So let's start writing. From desktop, open Google. From Google window, click on app icons and here click on Drive. Now here from left side, click on New. Then click on File Upload and select the file you want to translate. It will start uploading. When it uploaded, then double click on the file and the file will start opening in Google Docs. When file opens in Google Docs, then from top left corner click on File and then click on Save as Google Docs. Then it will save in Google Docs and also open in New tab. Now you just have to click on Tools from the above four options, then click on Translate Document. Now here if you want, you can name your translated document and then click on the drop down menu of Choose a Language and select the language in which you want to translate your PDF file. Then click on Translate. It will translate your PDF file. If you want to save it in your device, then from the top left corner, click on File and hover over Download. Click on PDF document, then click on Save and it will be saved in your PC. So that's how you can translate PDF files into different languages in just few easy steps.